How to please your wife. Oh my God. Talk about an open-ended question. It's okay, I'm not scared. I'm Paul Friedman. I founded the Marriage Foundation, and I'm going to address this in a way that is not expected, which if you've been watching my videos, you should expect that. Because our approach at the Marriage Foundation, and I'm Paul Friedman, I founded the Marriage Foundation, is a very positive and very different approach, because we keep looking for not the solution to a problem, but happiness, love. We look for the ways to enhance your marriage in those two areas, because that's why you got married. So how do you please your wife? That's an indication that you're either talking about sexually, or you're talking about, I can't please her, she's so fussy. Either way, I'm going to help you understand that the problem isn't this problem. The problem is that your marriage is not firing on all 8 cylinders. Your marriage should be based upon and lived within the context of love. You should be connected with your wife on this level of love. If you guys are feeling love and you're swimming in this love, which is what you're supposed to be doing when you're married, then whether it's in the bedroom or in the backyard, you will not have a problem. Your wife will feel pleased. She'll feel secure, safe, protected, humbled. It's true. You got to know how to do it. I can't give you this in a video. I'm just letting you know what it takes. So use one of my books. It's kind of the longer way to do it, but some people are really into reading like that. Other people, and I think it's far superior, our course for men will really help you, because it starts with you as an individual learning how to control your mind. But either way, the solution is not the solution for this one problem. It's the solution for your whole marriage. That's where it's at. And the incentive that you should have to do this is that when your marriage is really working, I mean, wow, it produces so much love, so much harmony, so much happiness. It's incomparable, but people don't know about that. I hope you think about this. If you want to leave a comment, also leave a like, but leave a comment. You could ask a question. And for sure, watch the videos, because you will start to see there's a lot more to marriage than what you thought. Blessings. Thank you for your time. Take care.